do with leftover grits? But I have some right here. So when you make grits and they're left over, sometimes they'll get, if they're refrigerated, they'll get really stiff, right? So what I'm going to do, we're going to go over here to the mixer. I'll set up the bowl in front of you. We are going to put these grits in a mixer bowl. Now, if they're really, really stiff, like you've been in the fridge for 3 days, feel free to put them in the microwave, covered with plastic wrap for, you know, a minute or two to soften them up. So we have our grits. We're going to add 2 egg yolks. We're going to make a grits cake. We're going to add a bunch of cheddar cheese. Save a little for the top. Going to add some scallions. And maybe a dash of Tabasco. This is for acid. I'm going to let this whip up in the mixer so it lightens up. Paddle attachment is fine. Oh, it's always fun doing this when you're under pressure and you're on film. There it is. Okay, it's not film. Did I say film? I am so fucking old. Pardon my French. I am so old. Thank God it's Facebook. So we got a little air in there, and in the meantime, we want to souffle this stuff. So remember I had egg yolks? There are your egg whites. Now I can do this by hand because I'm really good at it, but I don't want to bore you, so I have the mighty hand mixer. Put it right here. High speed. What is high speed? We want to get these nice soft peaks. It takes about 30 seconds. Since we're making noise, let me turn this one on too. Whoa, there it goes. Look at that. Beautiful thing, right? Whoa, all the way. Alright, that is what you call soft peaks. See that? Pull it up, it'll stay like shaving cream, but not super, super thick. Alright, so this is really easy. See what I did? I whipped the egg whites, I threw the yolks, a little cheese, a little Tabasco, some scallions into my cooked grits. Now, I'm going to take a buttered souffle dish. I happen to have terracotta because I'm a cool restaurant guy, but you don't have to. I'm going to take these whites, add them to the base, fold them together without destroying the whites as best I could. See that? Treat it like you're making a nice soft cake batter. Just so you barely don't see them anymore. And put them in this casserole dish. And put a little bit of that leftover New York sharp cheddar on top. They're going to go in the oven at about 400 for about 25 minutes. And after that 25 minutes is up, you have this beautiful grits bake. Now, just in my own defense, it was puffed up before we started, but it's been in the oven for a while. But you can see how it settled in. But man, this stuff here is so delicious. Look at that. Look at how hot it is still. Cheesy souffle grits.